Hello and welcome to my Woodhaven Lakes video. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, the Woodhaven Lakes neighborhood. It's section 11, lot 299, lakefront property. I walked the boundary here. Got a 2000 trophy park model. The lots are roughly 125 feet or so deep, 45 feet wide. This one has central air, has direct or dish HD, turbo HD. Out here at the lakefront, that pin is right there. See the little pink tag on the wood stick? That's the surveyor mark. This is a finger of Bass Lake, and as far as I'm concerned, Bass Lake is the best lake at Woodhaven. The other pin, which is 40 or so feet away, there when a fish jumped, is this bar right here, this iron bar. Okay. It's a nice little fishing cove. If somebody put a seawall in here, it would be a good investment for this property. But anyhow, it's section 11, lot 299. It's got central air, 2000 park model, dish network, nice yard, small gravel patio. It's a blank canvas for somebody that wants a little bit of a project, but wants not too much of a project. Just make this place your own. Heading on inside, we have a 56,000 BTU furnace. This is a non-loft trailer. We'll go in the master bedroom first. Nice big master bedroom. Got built-in nightstands, outlets and reading lamps on both sides. Closet beside the bed. That's also doubles as a water heater closet. Over here you've got the 6 drawers and the bedroom closet. It's plumbed for a TV up top side, although it doesn't have one in it. It's got wood flooring that probably was added, but I can't say for sure. This is a 2000 trophy models, and I never sold these new. Spice rack, access to the behind the shower. Heading on in the bathroom, we got a very nice bathroom. Window, vanity medicine cabinet. Nice deep one too. Commode. And then you've got a towel rack over the commode. Skylight in the bath. There's no problem with height here. If you were 8 feet tall, you couldn't hit the ceiling. Kitchen. Got a 18 cubic foot fridge. Got a touch faucet. I just put that in new because the old one wasn't that great, so I put a new faucet in it. 18 cubic foot fridge. This hardwood flooring is actually pretty cool. It matches the cabinetry, and it's on the main floor here in the dining and the entry. Whoa, come on. Camera went on the fritz. There, it picked back up. Thank you. GoPro. How did we live without GoPros? So anyhow, here's the front living room. It's a sunken living room and a sunken bedroom. Got your sectional sleeper sofa. It's dated, but nonetheless, it's there. It's clean. Ceiling fan. Nice view of the lake. Really nice view. If a guy built a wraparound deck here, that'd be pretty cool. Right now we got a 32-inch flat screen. It's got an entertainment center, DVD player, Blu-ray player. Well, that pretty well sums this up. There's a nice wine bar, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool looking. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, coffee maker. Just a nice trailer. Very nice. This could be your sign. Welcome to my happy place. Anyhow, Woodhaven Lakes, you're not allowed to live here, but you can camp here, overnight here, 200 nights out of the year. Got a big driveway that fit at least 2 trucks, probably 4 cars. There's a view of the outside of the trailer and the lake. Good neighbors in this neighborhood. And again, here's the backside with the propane and the central AC. Well, 57.9 gets you this one. Have a great day.